Hi, my love. So this video is about African threading, how to make African threading on your hair. So you see, make sure you when you're about to make this, make sure you grip the bottom of your hair a bit tight, not too tight to prevent your hair from breaking. Not too tight, but a bit tight. Then you thread it with the thread for a couple of time, and then you started using the thread to twist your hair. If you are familiar with two strand twist, this is going to be very easy for you. There's nothing difficult there. Just use the thread to be twisting the hair. You use the thread to be twisting the hair. It is very simple. It is very simple and it is very easy to do. There is nothing difficult there. So you see, I did something just now. When you are at the tip of your hair, when you're about to knot it, make sure you fold the tips of your hair so it can be very easy for you when you are about to take it down, so that your hair won't break. Can you see that? That is beautiful, guys. So this is very easy to make, and just like twist, you can moisturize your hair when you are on this. Is very good, and it's a good protective hairstyle. It's a good protective hairstyle. Yeah, so I'm gonna leave now, but I will come back later. Just be looking at what I'm doing, because we learn by seeing. Yes, we learn by seeing too. We learn by hearing and we learn by seeing. The best way to learn is to see something when you are looking at something. That's the best way to learn. So just be looking at what I'm doing, and trust me, you're gonna get it. See you later. Bye. I don't know whether you guys notice, but I have some particles in my hair, and I got it from the herbs I use on my hair. I love using Ayurvedic a lot, so I got it from the Ayurvedic I used on my hair the other day while I was washing my hair. So I did an Ayurvedic deep conditioning. So those particles are due to the, and you can see it on my neck too. So they are due to the leftover from the Ayurvedic I used on my hair. Yeah, so we are almost done, and I am loving the outcome so far. So I'm just going to how do I say this? How do I explain this? So I'll be doing a cornrow for this side, this particular side of my hair, that's the right hand side of my hair. So I'll be making a cornrow so as to, to spice up the style. Yeah, so if you want me to give a tutorial on how to make a cornrow, then let me know in the comment section, and I am going to be at your service because why not? So guys, this is coming out so nice and I love this. So after this, I'm gonna be moisturizing my hair. So yeah, I've moisturized and yeah, this is the outcome. And yeah, I love it. I love it. See you guys later. Bye. Subscribe before you go, like this video, and comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Let's see you again. Bye. I love you. Whether you like it or not, it is by fire by force.